Wallace here with you today because I heard that you are interested in coding, and I have two very special friends that I want you to meet. If you are interested in bringing your coding into real life, you're going to want to meet these guys. Right here I have Bbot, and here I have Dash. Dash and Bbot are so fun and so cool, and are definitely great introductions to learning how to code. Something really special about these guys is that they both provide online content in case you don't have the real physical robots at home. Bbot's online emulator is completely free, and Dash provides a 30-day free trial, but you might love it enough to buy it. I'm going to show you a little bit about both of them, and you can see which one you like the most. Now, if you're interested in going even further and beyond and you have the means, you can also buy physical robots to code at your house or at school or wherever you may be. So I want to teach you a little bit more about how to code using Dash and Bbot, whether you have the robots or not. Let's get started with a little information on Bbot. Bbot is an exciting robot designed specifically for use by young children. So even if you're not learning how to read yet, even if you don't have access to a computer, this Bbot is a great way to introduce coding to younger children. This is a great way to learn the basic steps of coding. It's a great tool for teaching sequencing, estimation, problem solving, and just for having fun. Directional keys on the top of the robot are used to enter up to 40 commands, which send Bbot forward, back, left, or right. Pressing the green Go button, right here, starts Bbot on his way. He blinks and beeps at the conclusion of each command so that all of our children can follow Bbot through the program they have entered, and then it confirms the completion of the code with lights and sound. Bbot is super fun and user-friendly for people of all ages, but definitely for those younger children who are just learning how to step-by-step code a robot or a sequence of events. He has a fun online component where you can actually code Bbot to move through a maze on your screen. Watch this. So here we have the Bbot online emulator, and you can get to it by going to this URL website. Now, this section right here very similarly replicates the directional arrows and coding opportunities that Bbot actually has right on top of them. Just like we can go up, back, or side to side, here online we can go up, back, and side to side. We can have him pause or stop, go home, or delete a line of code. What's really cool about this is that you can even choose what kind of mat or maze you want Bbot to go through. Right now we're on an alphabet map, but we can choose a card mat, we can choose a community mat, we can choose a dice or go-kart rally. Whatever we want to choose, we have the option. And it's great for young kids to first get started with coding because they have to practice coding Bbot step by step to complete whatever challenge. If we start with the alphabet, we could tell a young kid, code Bbot to get to the letter H. Well, what direction does Bbot need to go to get there? He needs to go up. And then we need to tell him to go. There goes Bbot. What about if we want to have a child get to the letter that starts the word dog? In order for Bbot to get to the letter D, he's going to have to go forward, and then he's going to have to turn right. He's already coded to go forward, so I'm going to press him to turn right, and then he's going to have to go forward to get on the letter D. Let's see if this works. Bbot, you made it to the letter D. As you can see, the possibilities are endless, even for young, pre-reading children to code Bbot to get through a maze. Try it online first, see if you're interested, and then possibly get a Bbot to challenge in real life. Let's see if Bbot can do that code in real life. Forward, right, forward, go. Woohoo! And if you wanted to, you can make an alphabet mat of your own in real life. The possibilities are endless. Now, if you're a little bit older and want to get into more of a block-based or online coding system, then I think Dash is the robot for you. Dash brings coding to life. Kids can actually watch their virtual coding turn into tangible learning experiences in real time with Dash. Its performance in multiple sensors interacts with and responds to its surroundings. There's truly no experience necessary. It's very easy to catch on and learn as you go for people of all ages. Dash is smart enough to respond to voices and sounds, and he can dance and sing, which makes for a fun and interactive learning experience for kids. Dash will help kids learn, laugh, and grow. He is designed for ages 6 and up. You will need some type of online device. A Chromebook, laptop, tablet, or iPad should work. And you can download apps that will actually code Dash and tell him what to do. This app is called Blockly, and as you can see, there's all different types of block-based coding that we can drag and drop to tell Dash what to do. But the best part about Dash right now is that there's a brand new online resource where you don't have to have the physical robot at all. Dash's Neighborhood online lets you code Dash using the same Blockly coding language that the robot uses, but now he's in a brand new 3D environment. You can practice and prototype with this simulator at home or at school. If you have Dash the robot, you can always test out your creations with the physical robot afterwards. It's super user-friendly, and I'm excited for you to check it out. Here we are on makewonder.com/Dash's Neighborhood. We can learn a little bit more about him by clicking on this video, but I'm going to go ahead and jump right in. Let's sign up for free. We can enter in our first, last name, email, password, confirm password, or we can sign up using Google or Clever. So once you've signed in using Google or Clever or entered in your information, you can get started as an educator or an adult. For my purposes, I'm just going to sign up as a regular adult. Thanks for signing up. Let's head over to My Wonder Workshop. In this Wonder Workshop, there's tons of information on how you can get the curriculum, you can teach about it in your community, you can have a home learning toolkit. Now, what you're going to want to do is sign up for the free trial of Class Connect. We're going to explore it, start it, and this is a great way to see if your children or students are really interested in the program before you purchase a Dash robot. So welcome to our dashboard. Basically, this is what a teacher would use if they were going to sign up their class of students to use Dash. We can enter in our free code to connect our devices if we wish. And then we can connect our first device if we want to. Let's go through the tutorial, learn a little bit more about it, and we're done. So what I want to do is go to the Blockly dashboard, and I want to launch Blockly. Let's select one of the sample profiles. I like Robot Wrangler. I'm going to create a new project, and it's going to be a blank project. Feel free to explore these if you want to learn more. Now, this is the same Blockly coding system that we would use on an iPad with the real Dash robot, but this is all virtual in case you don't have a robot to connect to. This is Dash in his neighborhood, and we can have him do any of these commands. He can drive, forward, 50 normal. Let's see what happens when I click play. There he goes. We can have him look a certain way, we can have him light up a certain way, and I love it because you can even change his lights to a different color. There goes lights. He can make different sounds. And make different animations, control, variables, accessories. These are all great, very basic codes that we can learn to actually move this robot on the screen. And if we want to, actually move the physical robot if you have one. I highly encourage you to check out the Blockly app and to start the 30-day free trial, even if you just want to introduce yourself to the basics of coding. Now, let's see if Dash can do that in real life. Here, I have my iPad that's connected via Bluetooth to the Dash robot. This is the same Blockly app that we were just using online, and I put in the same code that we just tested out. Let's run it and see what happens. All lights green? All right, good job, Dash. So, as you can see, it's fun to code him online or in person. As for your challenge today, we want to see if you can go back to the completely free Beebot emulator online and use the alphabet mat to code your first name. That's right, make Beebot travel through the mat to get to every letter in your first name. See if you can complete the code to make it possible. You're learning coding every single day when you give someone step-by-step instructions, including Beebot. This is great practice. Give it a go. Good luck.